Hey, hello everyone. This is Faris from Cocoland Studios. Today I'll give you a quick tutorial on how to get your data in the corrupted SD card, as I faced this problem a couple of weeks ago when I tried to download some pictures and videos from my SD card, and when I plugged the SD card into the card reader, I got this error that I have to format the disk before I can use it. And in case you click format disk, you will lose everything in the SD card. And of course I'll click cancel, and no matter how many times I plug it inside the card reader, I just keep getting the same error. I tried every possible solution, going to my computer, trying to access from here, nothing. Using DOS and using Explorer, every kind of solution. But so I started searching the internet, and maybe I could find something. And finally, I found the best solution for this. Actually, it's a free software that comes with the Hyrene uh, um releases since 2008, and I found the website for the software, and it's just simple, quick, and very easy, very safe. So let's start doing it. First, download Find Amount from findamount.com. Purchased. Just go to downloading page. Okay. Download the application. It's very small. It won't take time. In case you want to upgrade for the pro version of this software, it has fully functional software without expiration date or any trial period. Anyways, let's start downloading it. Open. Yes. Install the application. Create. Yes. Alright, launch Find Amount. And as you can see here, once you launch the application, you will notice it will show two devices. One device is the laptop or computer hard drive, and I'm using my HP laptop here, showing a Hitachi hard drive which is 500 gig. And the unknown device mentioned here, it's the SD card, which I have is 8 gig. So right click on the SD card and click scan. Select scan method, choose the thorough scan, and leave everything as it is. Click scan and wait. You will notice a partition 1 will appear down here, right under found partition. So right click on partition 1 and click on mount as. Choose an editor to recognize the SD drive. Let's say O. It doesn't matter, just you can choose anything on the list. Open volume on Explorer, okay, and wait for some time. And that's it. As you can see, I have the SD card opened here without any problem. I can browse all the pictures, all the videos here. I can check the properties. I can copy all the pictures. Just select everything, copy, and paste wherever you want it. Like here, create a folder, call it temporary, and click paste. It depends on you, or delete the pictures, because the errors is going to keep showing for you. Like you have to format the disk anyway. So just keep your pictures and the videos in the safe place and format the disk after this. After you finish copying all the pictures and the videos you want, click on unmount. Yes. You go to my computer, it's unmounted already. Remove the SD card from the card reader, plug it again, and click on format disk. If it's ask you to format, click start. Okay, let's wait for some time till it's finished. Format complete, close. Now go to my computer and you can browse the memory without any problems. In case you face this problem on SD cards or hard drive, because it happens a lot these days, I don't know what's wrong. I have the SanDisk SDHC card here, class 4, and it's very good one, but I don't know what's happened to it. I was using it on my T2i camera, so if I plugged it again, go to my computer, I'll find it here, browsing without any problem. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any problems, please feel free to ask in the comment section. Thank you.